So some more range का questions are there. Some more range का important points about range. देखो, for complementary angles of projection, that is theta and 90 minus theta, I want to find the ranges. Range find करो, मतलब R1 by R2 चाहिए. R1 by R2 is how much? For complementary angles. This is for theta I want, and this is for 90 minus theta. उस फॉर्मूला में you substitute just theta and 90 minus theta and tell the answer. Range 1. R1 by R2 I want. And tell the answer. कितना आएगा? U square sine 2 theta by G is the formula, right? So U square sine, here theta है ना? 2 theta by G by sin 90 minus theta क्या आएगा? U square sine 2 times of 90 minus theta by G. See, for complementary angles, I am trying to find the range. R1 by R2. Now, कितना कैलकुलेट करो, कितना आएगा? How much? देखो 180 minus 2 theta. Sin 180 minus 2 theta is nothing but sin theta only. Sin 2 theta only. So पूरा cancel हो जाएगा, 1 आएगा. मतलब ranges are same. If you cross multiply, you'll get R1 is equal to R2. So याद रखो, always for complementary angles, ranges are same. Range means right maximum distance, horizontal distance covered by the object, right? So for always याद रखो, ranges will be same for complementary angles. Kabura.
Yeah, sir. Sir, I sent one more doubt.
Yeah, वो बाद में I'll send. Okay.
Okay. Sir.
Covered. Next one. Maximum range. Maximum range find करो. What is the maximum range? R is equal to U square sine 2 theta by G. Right? When will be the range maximum? Sine value should be maximum value. Sine should be maximum, right? Tell me what will be the maximum value of sine? Sine which values? What is the maximum value of sine? Maximum value is how much? Like sine में values will be 0 to 1, right? 1 is the last one, maximum value, right? कोई भी angle में last मतलब जो भी 90 वगैरह 1 आएगा, right? So this value is 1. I want to find range maximum value. So maximum value कब होगा? Range maximum value कब होगा? When sin 2 theta is maximum. And what is the maximum value of sin 2 theta is 1. 1 को I can write as sin 90. That means 2 theta is equal to 90 implies theta equal to 45 degrees. Okay, that means angle 45 degrees में the range is maximum. मतलब अगर you want to throw an object, exactly if you throw 45 degrees with the respective horizontal, the range will be maximum. The range will be maximum. Okay, substitute now theta is 45. Maximum range find करो. Very important formula. Maximum range find करो. U square. देखो 45 into 2 is 90. Sin 90 is 1. So what is formula? U square by G is a formula for R max. Look, U square by G is a formula. Whenever they say maximum, theta is 45 degrees. Okay. Next. Okay, देखो. I am throwing an object different angles में. But देखो 45 degrees में throw करूंगा. Horizontal distance covered range is maximum. Okay, range is maximum 45 degrees. Suppose you want to jump a long jump. Long jump में same velocity से दौड़ेगा. Suppose 2 persons are there. 2 persons are going with the same velocity. They jump, right? Jump करने समय जो 45 degrees में jump करेगा वो थोड़ा ज्यादा जाएगा. If you go for any other angle, definitely range will be less. That is physics we have to apply for long jumps के लिए. Okay? Even projectile motion also they will see always bomb blast वगैरह में what they will do, 45 degrees exactly they will throw to get the highest range. उससे ज़्यादा नहीं आएगा. That's why they'll give इतना range तक only the bullet can go. ऐसा. Okay. Next. When the range is maximum, the height reached by the projectile. Find करो maximum height find करो. When range is maximum.
Sir, can you go back for a second?
ये वाला?
Yeah, sir, 1 second. Sir, so max range and the normal range formula is the same only, right?
No. Normal range formula is u square sine 2 theta by g. Maximum range is u square by g. Because theta is
Oh.
45. 45 into 2 is 90. Sine 90 is 1. U square by g is the formula.
Oh. Got it, sir. Yeah, you can go to the next one.
Yeah. When the range is maximum, the height reached by the projectile. Find karo. I want the relation between h max and r max. When range is maximum means theta is 45 degrees. Okay. So try to find the maximum height at that point में कितना होगा? Maximum height formula मालूम है ना? U square sin square theta by 2g. दोनों स्क्वायर आएगा राइट? U square sin square theta by 2g. Theta is 45 लगाओ. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2. So U square by 4g. And maximum range formula is U square by g. Now U square by g के जगह में R max लगाओ. So therefore H is R max by 4. जब रेंज मैक्सिमम रेंज कवर कर रहे हैं, मैक्सिमम हाइट देखो, सपोज इफ आई थ्रो एन ऑब्जेक्ट एट 45 डिग्रीज, ये जाएगा मैक्सिमम रेंज कवर्ड, राइट? दिस इज मैक्सिमम रेंज कवर्ड. At that time, he is asking what is the height. Maximum height is how much? So that is R max by 4. By 4 क्या तो इतना height है, उतना height तक जाएगा बॉल. तो क्या? Next. Relationship between horizontal range and maximum height. Relationship between horizontal range and maximum height. Find करो ना. Range and मतलब normal range, normal height का relationship find. Use the formula and divide. I want R by H. Is how much? Find करो. Use the formula and solve. So range का formula क्या है? U square sin 2 theta. Range है ना 2 theta by g. By maximum height का formula दोनों square आएगा. U square sin square theta by 2g. Okay, sin 2 theta formula मालूम है ना? 2 sin theta cos theta. करो. g cancel. U square cancel. तो क्या बचा? 2 into ये 2 ऊपर जाएगा ना? Sin 2 theta by sin square theta. Okay, sin 2 theta को I can write as 2 sin theta cos theta by sin square theta. So x sin क्या है? What is cos by sin theta is called as 2 into 4. Cos by sin is called as cot theta. So that means h multiply करो. That means range is 4h cot theta. This is a relation between range and maximum height. Normal वाला 4h cot theta. Sometimes questions में अभी आने वाला है, you know.
So this is the normal range, like not R max.
Not R max, normal range. That's why you use normal formula only. Okay. So we learned these 3 types: projectile motion. And what is Vy velocity? How to find velocity in projectile motion? Mein? What is the formula I given? Equations of motion.
Range.
Range नहीं है. In projectile motion में, this is also important. Y axis x axis. I throw a object, ये जाएगा 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 इधर गिरेगा at angle theta. Okay. Every step में you have ux and vy, vx and vy, right? How to find vy at certain angle time at time t? After certain time t में how to find vy in total projectile motion में? Starting of
U
chapter
sin
में
theta minus GT.
हाँ u sin theta minus gt वो याद रखो always. Okay.
Okay.
So every point of time में we can find vy by using that formula, and vx तो same है. Vx is nothing but u cos theta, right? u cos theta is same as vx, right? Every step में आपको horizontal velocity is same. So u cos theta पूरा total until नीचे गिरने तक u cos theta will be there, but vy will be u sin theta minus gt. वो याद रखो, right? अदरवाइज अगेन इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन लगा के सॉल्व करने से अच्छा आपको u sin theta minus gt याद रखो. ओके चलो फॉर्मुलास आ गया ना फॉर्मुला अभी पूरा. टाइम ऑफ फ्लाइट, मैक्सिमम हाइट. व्हाट इज फॉर्मुला फॉर आर मैक्स? तुझे बोलो आर मैक्स का फॉर्मुला इज u square by
u square sin 2 theta by g.
that is r range. r max means at what angle में range is maximum? कौन से एंगल में थ्रो करने का?
45 degrees.
Substitute
u
in
square by
45.
g.
That is right formula याद रखने का. u square by g is the formula, right? And relation between range and maximum height का?
Maximum height is range
r is equal to
4.
r is equal to
R max by 4.
that is range maximum and maximum height का. But I am asking only range and height का.
4 height
Cot.
cot theta.
R equal to 4h cot theta. Okay. So these are the things to understand. चलो न्यूमेरिकल्स करेंगे अभी पूरा. रेडी रखो. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आ रहेंगे. फॉर्मुलास भी फॉर्मुलास के थ्रू भी करेंगे. थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्वेश्चंस आल्सो विल डू. चलो करो. At what angle should a projectile be thrown such that horizontal range of the projectile is half of the maximum range? So it's telling to find theta in this condition. Horizontal range is half of the maximum range.
Yes, sir, I got the answer. Oh, wait.
Theta I want.
So, won't you get like an inverse form? You won't get like an actual degree.
Degrees में आएगा.
Huh? So, my bad. So, then I'm getting an inverse form.
देखेंगे उनको भी. सुनो कितना है. Range, horizontal range is half of the maximum range.
Yeah. So won't it be like 4h cot theta is equals to 1 by 2 into 4h?
है क्या h लगा रहा है. He is telling horizontal range. मतलब सिंबल क्या है horizontal range का?
45
r.
degrees.
R.
How much?
45.
देखेंगे. Horizontal range is half of the maximum range. All ranges
Yeah.
only. There is no height.
That's right. This only.
Range का फॉर्मूला क्या है?
4h
U
cot
square
theta.
sin 2 theta by g.
So why can't we use 4h cot theta?
h को लेके क्या करेगा? h को
So
क्या
you can
करेगा?
cancel the h right from R max and R.
r max का फॉर्मूला इज व्हाट?
4h.
ठीक है. वो क्यों h का आपको
So if I'm
फॉर्मूला मालूम है?
I'm
u
getting
square by
theta's
g.
cot inverse 1 by 2.
देन आंसर नहीं आ रहा है ना. g u square उसका कैंसिल. sin 2 theta is how much? 1 by 2. What is 1 by 2 is nothing but I can write as sin 30. That means 2 theta is equal to 30 degrees. Theta is equal to 15 degrees.
Bro.
See,
So but
like
if you
this
take my way, sir, I'm not
देखो
getting.
इक्वेशंस ऑफ मोशन में सपोज मान लो if I don't give time again I'll use time sir I'll find well तो time लगेगा वो something करके क्यों complicate that formula use करो in this condition में is telling to find theta okay
So, but can you use my method and try once?
tell range का formula क्या है
So I wrote range as 4h cot theta.
range as 4h
Cot theta.
okay
So sir, I got
4
4h cot theta is equal to 1 by 2 into 4h.
1 by 2 into 4h why 4h
So because h is r max
r
by
max
4.
r max by 4 is h right
Yeah.
so r max is equal to
r max
4h
is 4h.
okay
Yeah. No, sir,
so
h and h
4h
will
4 is
cancel.
cancel cot theta 1 by 2 कब आएगा
When theta is when theta is cot inverse 1 by 2.
मे बी कॉर्डिनल्स 1/2 कैलकुलेटर में 15 डिग्री से आएगा
So wait, sir, let me check.
बट अभी क्यू टेंशन का ऑप्शन में लेते हैं कॉट में नहीं है एंगल में दिया सो थीटा इक्वल 1/2 सो tan में 2 नहीं आएगा ना सर चांस नहीं है ना
So sir, should I just write theta approximately equal to 15?
हाँ 15 ले लो भाई
Okay, sir.
डायरेक्ट नॉर्मल मेथड में जाओ जो सीरियस मेथड में क्यों जा रहे हैं समथिंग ओके नेक्स्ट क्या करो a batsman hits the ball at an angle 30 degrees with the initial velocity is much ball travels in a vertical plane okay the time at which the ball reaches the highest point is how much so एक angle में throw किया indirectly is throwing or hitting anything ये जाके नीचे गिरेगा right कितना angle में 30 degrees में velocity is how much 30 meters per second the time at which the ball reaches the highest point कितना time में highest point में reach होगा what do you want to find how to find time after which
So time of flight means it has to come down, no?
total time is called time of flight
Sir, would it be equal when it like
आधा
this side that's
आधा yes
okay, sir.
So what is the time formula? Root 2 h by g.
see you're staying in kinematics only you came to projectile motion
Oh, 2u sine
uh,
g. So g will take 10 only, right?
10 calculation के लिए g10 ले लो
Sir, 1.5 seconds.
So I
yes
got
correct
3.
first answer is 1.5 seconds
So I got 3.
अरे time what is meaning of time of flight tell me
So 2u sine theta by g, right?
okay
Oh,
understand
this
the
is the
concept
highest point. Oh.
क्यों टेंशन ले जा रहे करो आराम से करो
So the
I
next
thought the
one is
total time.
22.5 meters.
which one second one
Yes.
maximum height का no wrong
So maximum height formula is u square sine square theta by
theta by
g.
2g yeah
2g.
2g
Okay. Then by
Sir,
2.
can't I use h
So
equal to
11.25 meters.
कितना
11.25.
11.25 meters yes correct
So what's
Sir,
the
can't I
difference
use
between
h
horizontal?
equal to u square by 4g?
which one maximum height reached
Oh, the sine theta is 45. My bad, sir.
So what's the difference between horizontal range and so
Range, normal range only.
max range or whatever?
See, maximum range means when angle is 45 degrees. Normal range is called horizontal range
Horizontal
only.
range means just
This is from here to here.
range.
Normal range only.
Okay.
Only at certain angle may see, if I throw 45 degrees may same projectile motion will take this much distance जाएगा. But this is not asking, he's asking normal range. कितना है? Got second one आया मानो?
This one I got 11.25.
Okay.
So third one is 45 root 3.
Yes, correct.
And
Sir,
then
in the range,
then
when we say
four.
1 second, in the range when we do 4h cot theta, is h the maximum height?
H is the maximum height.
In 4h cot theta.
4h quantity, H is the maximum height.
So and then last one will be 3, no?
3 seconds, yes, correct.
So what is the unit for range?
Range का distance, right? Horizontal distance, meters.
So is the third answer 45 root 3?
Yes. Last one.
Last answer.
Time for which the ball is in air.
So won't that also be 1.5?
So isn't that
That is
basically
called time
of
of flight. Time of flight.
I don't know, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, same. 2u sin theta by g, same answer.
How much
Oh,
answer?
that will get 3.
Okay. Next. Hi, सब लोग का? करो. Final answer बोलो. The horizontal range of a projectile is 2 root 3 times the maximum height. So range they given as 2 root 3 times the maximum height. H is called maximum height only. Find the angle of projection. Theta find in this condition. Simple.
Sure. Sure.
How much?
So tan inverse 2 by root 3.
How much answer?
So tan
Yes, correct.
inverse 2 by root 3.
Where I'm getting that.
Yes, correct answer.
So I got sine 2
Canvas
theta is
2 by
equals to
3 is
2
answer.
root 3 sine square theta.
How much? How much?
So never mind, sir.
No, wrong.
No, sir. What I did was no, this time I used the more complex formula. 2 root 3.
हमारे normal formula use करो and you're telling complex formula you'll use बोल के.
Yeah, sir. I got. So you get theta is tan inverse 2 by root 3. Yeah.
2 by root 3. Yes, correct.
Or you can get cot inverse
Next.
root 3 by 2.
और JEE Mains क्वेश्चन करेंगे करो. Yeah.
So I got theta equal to cot inverse 1/4.
So I got tan inverse 4.
They given in tan inverse में.
Tan
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 inverse
inverse में
4.
option is given. Tan inverse 4. Yes.
That's what I got.
2024 में आया. चलो. आया? Tan inverse 4. Okay, next. ना करो. बराबर क्या आएगा न्यू JEE Mains में? Asking velocity of projectile
Sir, on Saturday,
at 2
can you
seconds.
give a recap of kinematics?
Kinematics का. वही recap क्यों?
Yeah, sir,
Kinematics
because on
normal
Monday
equation
we
of
have
motion.
kinematics का exam.
Again Monday we have kinematics. Okay. चलो.
Yeah.
So the velocity is 40 meter per second at t equal to 0.
40 minutes. Oh, the given question. देखो projectile is rotated from a horizontal with the initial velocity 40 meters per second. Okay. The velocity of the projectile. Yes, correct. From the horizontal is rotated with the initial
Sir,
velocity. Initial
horizontal is
velocity is given as
x-axis
40
or
meters.
y-axis?
Initial velocity means u.
No, sir, is horizontal x-axis or y-axis?
Horizontal means x-axis only. Vertical को y axis बोलते हैं.
So then what's the point of typing a question?
I don't know. 2023. I'll give options. Try करो.
I got 20√3.
20√3. देखेंगे.
Sir, I got as 20.
देखेंगे. और भी बोलते हैं.
Sir, where will you use time and gravity, sir? So shouldn't it be along y-axis?
अरे इसका मीनिंग क्या है टेल में? एक बार एक्सप्लेन मीनिंग बोलो मुझे. y axis x axis. He is throwing with initial velocity कितना है? 40 meters per second. Okay. एंगल कितना है? 30 degrees. So definitely जाएगा 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 गिरेगा. He is telling what is the velocity of the projectile after 2 seconds. Okay, मान लो 2 seconds के बाद इधर तक आया. इधर में क्या क्या वेलोसिटी होगा? दो वेलोसिटी होगा. vx होगा, vy होगा. दोनों होगा ना? Now vx is how much? Try to calculate. Vy is how much? You know the formula. What is the formula? How to find Vy?
U sin theta minus
by.
3t.
Use T and other time use करो.
Sir, then
But it told to find Vx only, no sir, by Vy also.
The velocity of projectile from the start will be. Okay. Tell me what Vy.
what are we supposed to find, sir? Vx or vy?
See, JEE Mains question is given. You tell the answer. I'll explain. This is the options
Sir,
they
I
given.
used Vx and I got 20√3.
आप डिसाइड कर लो प्रणव एंड आप भी डिसाइड कर लो. इज आस्किंग.
So either get 20√3 or
I
0
got
sir.
20.
Those only.
20.
20 is wrong. 20√3 is right. Okay. Why? देखो Vy is how much? Calculate करो. Vy is how much?
Vy 0.
That means where is the projectile motion? Where is the particle?
Yes.
It is at maximum height. So उसके पास एक ही velocity होगा Vx only. See, we don't know. See, 2 seconds में किधर है? We don't know, right? After finding Vy, we understood that the ball is not here. Here है. मतलब here only Vx only will be there. Vx is nothing but u cos theta. So 20√3 is answer. See, JEE Mains question थोड़ा समझो. फर्स्ट में डिसाइड करके ये
Vy is equal to 0.
By फॉर्मूला यूज करो. By is equal to u sin theta minus gt.
Oh.
Sin that is 1/2. मतलब 20 minus 10 into 2 seconds, right? It's 20. You know. That's why we don't know that. So that's why ये टाइम डिसाइड करने के लिए दिया हो. थिंक कर थोड़ा स्मॉल मतलब अंडरस्टैंड करो. So we'll get the answer. Next. Are your options? Otherwise something will tell.
Sir, 1:3.
1:?
√3.
देखेंगे.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, I'm getting 1:3.
1:?
3.
Okay, देखेंगे.
Yes, sir, 1:3, yeah.
1:3? Yeah. 1:3 answer. Yeah, answer. Good. 2023 is our JEE Mains. Again, you're using complicated formula, Mano, or direct formula only?
Because I wrote √3 whole square as √3 only.
Okay. √3 whole square is √3. कितना आंसर? फाइनल आंसर?
Yeah, sir, 1:3 only I got.
Okay. करो. The range of a projectile projected at angle 15 degrees with the horizontal is 50 meters. If the projectile is projected with the same velocity at an angle 45 degrees, then the range will be. I'll give options.
Sir,
How much?
100 meters.
Okay, देखेंगे.
Sir, I got 100.
Yes. 100 is answer. Is the cut only you're doing, Isha, Krishna?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
sir, 100 only.
Sir,
Ah.
correct only, sir.
So because if you do 2 theta, you'll get as 1 anyways.
Okay.
So you'll get u square by g automatic as 100.
Yes. Next. Two 2023.
Sir, horizontal distance means range, no, sir.
Range only. Maximum horizontal distance nothing but maximum range.
R max.
Sir, over here, what should we take theta as?
I don't know. JEE Mains question. करो.
Sir, 544 meters.
ऑप्शन सर गिवन देखो,
Sir, 272 meters.
तो बाई 2 करेगा.
Sir, it is supposed to be into 2, but then like I don't know why.
बिकॉज वन डायमेंशन का आपको याद होने का. ओके,
What is
टेल मी.
theta?
हाँ,
What will theta be? Sir, if you take theta, when I got first theta is 45, but in the option it's not given.
सी क्वेश्चन पढ़ो एक बार, मानो आराम से रिलैक्स हो, योगा करके बोलो इसका क्वेश्चन पढ़ो. द मैक्सिमम वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस टू विच ए मैन कैन थ्रो ए बॉल इज, वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस इज आस्किंग हियर, नो एंगल, वन डायमेंशन मोशन ऊपर.
Okay.
You know the formula, maximum vertical distance formula, maximum height reached by the body, maximum height
Yeah.
top में.
It's 1 second. U square sine square theta by g.
That is what, if you throw a certain angle theta में, that time maximum height.
U square by 2g.
U square by 2g. And what is the formula for maximum range का formula?
U
U
square,
square by g.
खत्म, use करो. Now U square by 2g value how much they given?
That's it.
136.
136 meters. And range max का, R max का formula, you know, U square by g. And U square by g is nothing but from this 136 into 2, which is 272. खत्म. अब ऊपर थ्रो कर रहे हैं, एंगल में थ्रो कर रहे हैं, यू अंडरस्टैंड. उनका मर्जी है, वो किधर भी थ्रो करेगा. ओके, चलो. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सी एक चैप्टर में ये की क्वेश्चन आएगा पेपर में. सो दैट वन थोड़ा मिस्टेक किया तो खत्म गया कम से.
Discussion will come for exam.
नेक्स्ट.
Over really. Oh, it's not wrong. Sir, I got the answer.
बोलो कितना.
Sir, if it's not 4, no, sir. It's 4. Logged in.
देखेंगे ये लोग भी चांस देंगे.
Sir, 100%.
Soon I got 4.
4 is answer. I have drawn from a ground with the speed distance angle theta, so that horizontal range and maximum height are equal. Just equate horizontal range and maximum height is equal. So in this case में tan it आ जाएगा, right? That is equal to tan inverse 4. आया कुछ आपको? Yes. Next.
Sir, highest point is maximum height, right?
Highest point is maximum height during motion.
So what is time of flight formula?
I don't know.
So I keep forgetting, sir. Everything
देखो,
is the same formula.
ऊपर वाला वन डायमेंशन याद है? वन डायमेंशन क्या है याद है? ऊपर वाला टाइम ऑफ एसेंट, टाइम ऑफ डिसेंट. टाइम ऑफ एसेंट इज u by g. So it is uy by g. Uy is nothing but u sin eta.
Yes.
So वो फॉर्मूला रेक्टिफाई करने का.
Sir, I got the answer. Sir, it's u by g.
देखेंगे.
So even I got the same thing.
Yes, u by g.
So because it's u cos theta is equals to root 3 by 2u.
Because at highest point में only we have x direction velocity, right? So u cos theta is equal to root 3 u cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2u. So you cancel cos theta root 3 by 2 is theta is how much? 30 degrees, right? Now we're saying time of flight. 2u sin theta by g. So a 1 by 2, 2 to cancel, u by g is answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next.
So after t seconds, the angle becomes 0
Why?
because inclination becomes 0, right, sir?
After t seconds के बाद the inclination of the horizontal becomes 0. मतलब theta is become 0.
Okay, sir.
So is that an Sir, is that an option?
These are options. 2022 में आया. A projectile is projected with velocity this much at an angle theta with the horizontal. Okay. After time t, the inclination with horizontal becomes 0. Okay. If r represents the horizontal range of the projectile, the value of theta. Theta is in range में है. Okay. Use the thing.
Sir, if u sin theta is equal to 25 sin theta, does that mean u is equal to 25?
U sin theta is equal to
25 sin theta.
25 sin theta. So sin theta sin cancel. U equal 25.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay.
He's trying to find range, right? So range का formula is करो. U square sin 2 theta by g. So r is equal to u square 2 sin theta cos theta by g. इधर तक आया. But आपको देखने से इधर we are not getting in terms of time में है, right? Here time
Not
कौन सा
getting
time
the
में?
answer.
Got कौन सा टाइम में दिस इज टाइम किसको मालूम है ये मैक्सिमम हाइट का टाइम में राइट मैक्सिमम हाइट इज बिकॉज इंक्लिनेशन इज 0 becomes when the object is at maximum height. So t के जगह में t is what time of flight by 2 right आधा टाइम है ना मैक्सिमम हाइट में 2u sin theta by g by 2g. So g cancel u sin theta by g. नो आपको रेंज चाहिए ना u इन टर्म्स ऑफ टाइम चाहिए सो कन्वर्ट करो u इज इक्वल टू आई कैन राइट जी टी बाई साइन थीटा so substitute this in this substitute this
Sir,
u
Sir, how do we know small t equal to capital T by 2?
देखो after time t seconds the inclination with the horizontal becomes 0. If you are throwing an object ये जाएगा जाएगा इधर जाएगा ना, इधर कौन सा velocity कितना होगा? Only vx will be there, right?
Yeah.
With the horizontal there is no zero angle, right?
Also
वो एक ही
Vy.
point में, that's why it is maximum height. Every point में दोनों रहेगा, inclination will be there alpha, but इधर नहीं है. That's why time of flight by 2. Just
So
substitute
what
u
will
के
you
जगह
get
में
in
this
terms of?
t, in terms of t में.
So suppose the
Okay,
final answer be
sir,
C
got
then.
it.
Tell option, which option आपको?
No, sir, I just got how to do it.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm getting it in terms of cost, sir.
Cos हाँ.
Oh,
देखो
with
if you
tan is
substitute u
also
के
there
जगह
in
में,
the option. Sir, one
u के
second.
जगह में substitute करो.
Sir, one second.
हाँ करो.
Sir, I'm getting in terms of cot. Wait 1 second. Let me see if that's the answer. 1 second. QA question. Yeah, I got till there. What? Sir, I'm getting till where you got, sir. After that, I'm not know what to do.
Okay, r के जगह में r is nothing but g square t square by sin square theta into 2 sin theta cos theta by g. तो g एक g cancel, sin एक sin
Sir,
cancel.
it's cot inverse r by 20 t square.
Yes, correct. Very good. R is equal to g t square into 2 cos by sin is cot theta. So ये g10 ले लो. So कितना होगा? Cot theta is equal to r by 20 t square. So cot theta is equal to cot inverse
Alright, sir, I
r
got it.
by.
I got it. Yeah.
नींद आ रहा है? करेंगे
How
questions?
can they give, sir, for exam?
हमारी ऐसे दे लेगा एक sometimes people will say hard questions or sometimes easy question means it depends. So generally always कभी भी medium easy medium hard रहेगा always. So थोड़ा all we should manage. Okay.
Okay,
ठीक
sir.
है, इसका क्वेश्चंस और आगे हम लोग करने वाला है पूरा आगे का.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
And we have to go for a trajectory motion.